What's up, guys? Coming at you today with another product review. I got some of Kicker's nicer 6x9s, the DS693. I'm gonna do a little sound test for you guys. Like I said, these are their better model 6x9s, not the cheap yellow ones. Definitely got a bigger magnet, more power handling. But alright, stay tuned. I'm going to get these hooked up so you guys can get a little sound test. I recommend wearing some headphones or something so you guys can really hear it. So stay tuned. Really clear sounding. Just a short little music clip there. They really sound crystal clear, good mid-range. I would definitely recommend these. You guys know I'm a huge Kicker fan. A lot of you aren't, but these are pretty good. I'll have a link down in the description, because I know you can pick these up on Amazon, usually cheaper than like Best Buy or something. But I'll leave a link so you guys can see the price. And here's just some other audio that I got recently. Old Rockford amp. I got like 4 of these Alpine 2 channels. I got Audio Bond Flame Series 12 and one of Sony's bigger 12s. But this will wrap this video up. If you guys like it, hit that like button. Leave me a comment if you're running some of these. I might get 2 more and build like a 4-pod for a back window or something. But thanks for watching.